Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, guys, I'm going to explain to you on how to do a background check for Uber, okay? So first things first, Uber basically uses a third-party background check provider called Checker to conduct, background checks on its drivers and candidates. So first, what's going to happen is, guys, you'll go through the onboarding process. Okay, so during the onboarding process, the candidates provide, consent to run a background check and submit certain information. So under the actual background check, what's going to happen is, Checker is going to conduct a background check and Uber reviews the information and they will make their own decision. Now, the background check typically lasts, checks takes around 3 to 7 business days, but it can take longer depending on the local processes or courthouse access. Then, guys, of course, you want to check your report. You can log into the candidate portal to check your report for any calls to action, such as, if you have to upload any documents and if you have to confirm any information. Of course, guys, you can also contact Uber and Checker. So if you believe that you meet all the qualifications to be a driver and you have been rejected, guys, you can contact both Uber and Checker to actually find out what is going on. Okay, so Uber performs background checks on all drivers yearly, guys, regardless of whether the local jurisdiction, requires an annual background check. Okay, so I hope this video helps you out, guys, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn on those bell notifications, guys, so I can see you in the next one.